do do doobie doo wah ba ba ba. Hey guys, I'm back after a long break. I know I still have to edit one video from my Christmas journal series, but I don't have time to edit right now, so I'm not gonna wait till I put that up to put up more videos. So I'm just making this one simple. I hope everyone's good. I hope everyone had a good holiday season. Happy New Year. Valentine's Day is already coming up. It's crazy how fast time flies. But I'm on here today to share some Happy Mail that I got from Re-Used Muse here on YouTube. Hi Wendy. She sent me this package after I sent her the paper clips that she won for my giveaway around the holidays. So I'm just gonna, I haven't looked in here yet, so I'm gonna open it and check out what my goodies are. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. I love these. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. Thank you so much, Wendy. I love these antique buttons. Those are so pretty. Those are great colors too. I can use them in the fall or in the spring. That was so sweet. Thank you. Looks like I have a card here. I'm going to read it off camera just in case. Oh, she's sweet. She sent me I got this package a while ago. I've been waiting to open it on video, but like I said, things have been crazy. It says Merry Christmas, and Wendy says, thanks so much for the paper clips. I'm glad I discovered your channel. Best. That was very thoughtful. Whoa. Oh no, I'm afraid I'm gonna mess this up. This is awesome. This will be great to use in something for Valentine's Day. I love the texture on these, on this. I don't know. Uh-oh. Ooh. Camera almost fell. Can you see the texture on there? It's pretty neat. Thank you, Wendy. Ooh. This one has an awesome texture too. That's so fun. I really like that. Wow, so many goodies for Valentine's Day. Look at all of this. This is awesome. I don't have any red lace or ribbon. I was just thinking I was gonna have to go out and get some. This is perfect. I was gonna, well, had my daughter like paint some paper that I was gonna make into like Valentine's for her to give out to her class. She's only a year and a half, so, you know, there's not much you can do with that, but I was thinking about making them into tags, and like, I wanted to get some ribbon to tie on top. This would be perfect. This is so cool. Wendy, you're so generous. What a stash. This is pretty. I love this lace. Yay, enamel dots. I don't have enough of these. That's awesome. This stuff will be great for junk journaling too. I love this. This has roses on it. It's so pretty. So silky smooth. Wendy, you're awesome. Thanks so much for sending this stuff. I'm gonna have fun playing with it. And I hope to be back on my channel more often. We just have a lot going on right now with our home life, family life. My schedule keeps changing, so it's just hard for me to get everything together to... Actually, I haven't really even been crafting very much. But I hope to be back soon. So, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye!